All right, it appears to be live. Yep. So, found this new little website. It's called gshow.org. Gshow.org. And it looks like it connects to a different website to give sample sentences. So I'm probably going to use that. But first and foremost, got to review the old Anki cards, naturally, because that's what this is all about. So here goes. Kino-san. 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 Chen. Kino. I think this is out of order. It's Kino yesterday. Chen San. I gotta fix that, I think. Chen San. Kino. Oh, no, it's fine. Kino Chen San. Yeah, both these symbols are flipped. It says Kino yesterday. Chen San. Mr. Chen. Wa. Topic marker. Do Shio Kan. Heard that when I was watching a show in Japanese yesterday. Dosho Kando in the library. Repoto o report. Kai right te imashita. Kaite imashita. Kino Chin-san. Yeah, I think, in the library. Yeah, I'll call that good. Watashi wa, as for myself, I, with a topic marker. Kao, face reputation. Kyo wa. Is that today? Kyo wa. Today. Sushi tabe ni eating ginsa ni ginsa ikimasu. Today I was eating sushi in ginsa. I'm not going to worry too much about past, present, endings I don't want to get too crazy about. I think those will come naturally. I should focus more on not the endings. Call it good. Is that ta gai jo? What is this? Jo. Oh, I don't remember this word. Ta. Normally I think that's ta, but with the double tick on the front. This might be kind of hard to see, come to think of it. I might need to adjust the viewing for if I'm watching this back for a little double repetition in my recollection here. So notes, cards, styling, RT should be font size 20px. How does that work? It's a little big, but we'll take a gander here. Yeah, it's a little big, But I'm gonna roll with it for now. So actually, I think what I should do is instead of doing that, cards, notes, manage note types, cards, styling, just make everything 40. And then don't mess with that, maybe? And how does that affect it? Yeah, it's better. I like that more. So, Gaijou. Gaijou do te. Suka? Daijoubu. Wow, this is so big now. Not used to the text being this big. Daijoubu desu ka? Are you alright? Again. Daijoubu. What's this one? Chikara. Force effort. Let's see. You know, I like how I'm distracting myself from the core task at hand, but it is what it is. Like, I want to make this enjoyable. I'm not going to spend the whole hour sometimes focusing strictly on Japanese, because sometimes it's just more fun to play with the old font styling. So if I do the back, I guess there's no way to differentiate. I'll roll with it. So, otoko, male. Midomo? What's that? That's not ni. Is that kodomo? Kodomo? Kodomo ta chiwa? Children. Kodomo, plural, subject marker. Tsugino. Possessive, the children's following yo manner ni nobe express te imasu. Children expressed as follows. The children's expression was as follows. The likeness of the children's expression was as follows. Children said as follows, yeah. Kodomo tachi wa tsugi no you ni nobete imasu. That's pretty good. Daijoubu. Oh, I forget that. Daijoubu. Gute desu ka? Daijoubu. Daijoubu do desu ka? Daijoubu. Uh-oh. I don't recognize that middle character. Daijoubu desu ka?
大丈夫ですか?
So, did I add an extra syllable there? What is that? Why is it adding an extra? I'm gonna take a look at that. This is a side quest here. Oh, don't give me the... I want the Japanese. Daijoubu. That's the boo. That's boo. Daijoubu. Again. Let's see. Jikanwa time. Ore masuka? Do you have any time? That's good. Ooh, I said are. I think it's ari, not are. Again. Kiowa. Kiowa? Oh no, it's Kiyomo. Today, also, Daremo, nobody even, na kata, inakata. Today, nobody even came. Inakata. Oh, it's ko. Konakata. I keep mixing up the E and the ko. So this is here. Gai. Oh, it's Daijobu. And that's the boo right there. Desuka. Daijobu desuka. Are you alright? Call it good. Tere. Oh, that's some katakana that I put hiragana on top of. So I don't. Oh, terebi. Television. Terebi may watch Tari sequence paso con o shi Tari, like do the computer, use the computer. Shite iru. So I'm doing the computer or watching a TV. Shite Terebi. Yeah, doing things like is too complex to think about. So like I'm doing watching TV and playing on the computer. Good. Oh na ooh. Anatawa. You topic marker. Atamaga. Smarts intellect. Good. Iru. Ine. So you got the smarts, right? Yeah. Again. Ningen. Human being. What's that one? That is Naka. Inside. This is Korewa. Oh, it's Korewa. This. Watashi no my pasokon computer des is. This is my computer. Korewa. This. Gut, sehr gut eigentlich, mal sagt man. What's this? Ima. Oof. Ima. Now. What is that? Haji? Hajiote shita. See, that's a tricky one because I feel like I'm conflating this symbol with another one. Imahaji. Oh, is that May? Ima hajimete shita. Ima hajimete. Ima, now. Hajimete shita. Shiru. What is shiru? Do? I just now did? Or I just found out now? Oh, that's right. It's not shiru because it's the kanji. Ha ha. So I just found out now. Just became aware now. Hajimete shita. I'm gonna go ahead and count that just to kind of make it slam home harder when it shows up again. Ooh. So is that ni or e? I keep mixing up the ni. Ni re. No, that's ni. Ko. Kore wa. This. Seite. Saite? Kore wa saite. I don't know what saite is. That might not be sa. Kon. No. Kanga. Kanga eru. Hi. Hiu yo. Hiu. Hi. Hisayo. Ga. Aren. Ga. Is that aren ga? Oh my. Aru. Nda. Arunda. What's arun? Arunda says noda, like considering. And aru is to exist and be. So, kore ni atsuite. Tsuite. Kore ni tsuite. So regarding this, kangaeru, think, kangaeru, think, hitsuyo, need, necessity, ga, the necessity, topic marker, arunda, instead of noda, it's nda. So I gotta, okay, again, kore ni, this, tsuite, about this, kangaeru, think, hitsuyo, need, about this, think, the need, aru, exists. So in the case of this, I think there's a need. Ooh, I need to think about this. In the case of this, there's a need to think about this. So not in the case of this, but about this in the case It is the case that so about this, it is a case that I need to think. About this, it is the case that I need to think. Pretty weird expressing that one for one in English. Again. Mizu. Water. 私が言うよ。私が言うよ。You say yo like にしなさい. Do like I say. Yeah, okay, good. Uh-oh, what's this one? Taku. Otaku. Yeah, the otaku, single pointed interest. Nerd. Geek. There it is. What's this one? Sensei. Teacher. Sehr gut, sagt man. Okay, so here we are wrapping up a little bit here. My goodness, I actually need to use the restroom. I probably should have done that before I started that, but I wasn't feeling that before I started this. Well, I have to break my cycle of the full hour. So, we'll see what I can do. Kore. Kore ni. Kore ni. Kore ni. What's kore? Kore ni. Tsuite. Kore ni tsuite. Oh, that's right. Kore. This. Ni tsuite. About this. Kangae. Is that ru? Kangaeru? Think. Hitsuyo ga necessity aru exists. So thinking about, okay, so about this, thinking necessity exists in this case. So concerning this, in this case, there's a necessity to think about it. So about this, I got to think about. Yeah, it's hard to put into English. Gotta remember not to try to always directly translate, but it's kind of helpful sometimes. But I think the key thing here is kore is this, tsuite is about, kangaeru, hitsuyo arenga. Yeah. Aru. Not re, but ru. Ru. Re, ru. Okay, I gotta do that again. Kiyomo. Even today. Daremo. Even nobody. Even today. Also today, even nobody. Kona. Konaka. Konaka. Ta. Yeah. It's a weird thing about that one. That one confuses me. But I got it right. Even today, nobody came. Yeah. Jo. It's jikan wa. Time. Topic marker. Ari. Ma. Suka. Arimasuka. Do you have any time? Arimasu ka. There we go. That's good. What's this one? Daijo. Daijo. Bu desu ka? Is it all right? You all right? Yeah. Te. What do we got here? Te. Tere. Is that he? Terebi. Not he, but be. Terebi o television. Me. Tari. So watch television and, like listing. Pakoson o shitari. Do the computer. And shiteiru. Do. So I do the computer. So I'm like doing the computer. I'm like doing the computer, watching the TV. Something like that. I'm not directly translated, but there it is. I'm doing things like watching TV and playing on doing the computer. Yeah. Playing, I think, is and doing. I'm gonna say using the computer because playing is definitely a different verb. I'd say. Good. I mean, the nuance playing might be okay, but not now. I don't know. So what's this one? Anata wa you. Atama ga intellect iru. Is it true? Iine. It's nay. Iine. So you got the intellect, right? You're smart, aren't you? Nei. Anata wa atama ga ii nei. This is one way to learn the hiragana. Alright, so what's this one? E? No, what is this? This is kore wa this. Tsuite about this. Kangaeru thinking. Hitsuyo ga necessity. Arunda. It is a case that it exists. It is a case that a necessity exists to think about this. I gotta think about this. And I think the last time I should have said aru. And now I said aru. Exist. Yeah, call that good. Am I gonna do this again? I'll just read it since I literally just looked at this. So, kore wa tsuite kangaeru hitsuyo ga arenda. I did the are again. It's ru. Wow, I got really excited and yelled there. Whoops. I'm supposed to be chill vibe, but I guess you never know with me. So, kore ni tsuite kangeru hitsuyo ga aru na. Well, I'm going to call it good just because mixing up the symbols is going to keep happening. And I need to move on for today because I've spent 30 minutes on cards. Got to get me some new cards up in here. So I remember like Genki desu ka? What's Genki? Do I got a microphone here? Oh, I got a microphone? You don't give me a microphone up in here? No, I ain't got no microphone. So what's how to write Genki desu ka in hiragana? There it is. So I wanted to see what this means. Oh, it means how are you? And I forget where this came from. Like I might have been in that thing I was watching yesterday. Genki desu ka? Oh, is that a kanji? Is that supposed to be a kanji? My goodness. Alright, I'm gonna try taking a look at that. I'm gonna do Genki. Yo, what's up, Genki? Genki. Healthy. Oh, health, man. Yeah, I'm doing this good peppy mood thing. So Genki. Alright, Genki. Okay, I like that. Genki. What's up, Genki? I'm going crazy. I gotta stop. I'm not going crazy. I just gotta relax. I gotta quit going full hilarious mode here. Alright. Genki desu ka? Which is Genki desu ka? Oh, you can just say Genki. Genki? Genki. Desu ka. Now, how does this Genki desu ka? I don't know. I'm just gonna put it like that. But Genki is all. What is that? Good. Uh-oh. I'm trapped inside the HTML tag. Good mood, energetic. Good mood, energetic, healthy. Yeah, we'll say healthy. Good mood, really good mood. Yeah, we'll say healthy, energetic, peppy. I like that. There you go. Desu ka. I'll just forget about the desu ka for now. I'm sure I'll want to know what that is later, but I'll probably know what that is just by the fact that it repeats so much, and I'm not so concerned about the endings. So, alright, this is the day to add a bunch of cards so that the next time I do this, I'll be over inundated with cards and not have to add a bunch of cards. So, I want to take a look at, So, I'm going to look for who. Who? Alright, who? Pronoun. Yeah. How do I get the sentence? Details? Is that how I get the sentence? I need to get me some sentences. So I go to details right here. Do I get me some sentences? Who? Do I got me none of them sentences? I don't see no sentences. Alright, well, there was some website I thought there was, at least on here, that would. It was connected to some website that provided sample sentences, but I'm not seeing it here. So, how do I get some sample sentences? Links. Ah, okay. So I gotta go to links. Links sentence search. Oh my. How am I gonna figure that out, man? I don't know. Oh, I know how to figure it out. So sentence search. Oh, this site isn't what I remember when I was browsing. Drybun? What's that? Ooh, it's a Japanese website? But there's some other website, I'm telling you. I just gotta find it because it was all English, and I need English because I ain't know how to do none of that. Tato Aba. That was it. So it was like search. Oh, it's all kinds of. I was trying to learn who, Tatoeba. So I was looking for who. I mean, maybe Wiktionary has an example for who. Who? Who made who? Uh-oh. Whoa, Dade. Dade can also mean this. Ah, so context matters. Dare ga dare o tsukutta no ka. Who made who? I think that's what I'm gonna go for right there. Who made who? I don't know. Let's figure it out, man. Who made who? Oh, dare ga. Okay. Dare ga. Oh yeah. Who made who, man? I don't know. Dare who? So copy that. Nope. Who? And then what else is coming up here? Who? This is a new word. Tsukuta. Tsukuta. What's tsukuta? I don't know. Let's find out. Tsukuta. I'm gonna search for that. Oopsies. Alright, I want to search on Wiktionary's search tool. What do we got? Give me something good. Oh, that might be it. So, or is it? To take shape, to give form to something. That's a fancy word. It might be just too obscure to learn. And it's especially strange considering that I searched for. Yeah, this might be it. To make. Yeah, that's more like it. That's what I'm looking for. Tsukuru. So that means like to make. Whoops. Make. Oh man, do I really got a hyperlink over there? Can we get rid of that hyperlink, y'all? I don't want that. Darn tootin'. Eh? Hey. Dare ga, dare o tsukuta. Made. But what is that? No ka. Uh-oh. I don't know. So that is tsuku ta. Let's see if this brings anything up. No ka. How about no ka? How about Tanoka? How about Tanaka? I'm really stretching here trying to find it. I don't want to have to ask AI, but that's what I'm going to do. So I got to preview the card to copy paste it easily. Where does it? I need to sort by creation date. Okay, now if I preview the card, since I got that HTML thing in there, I can just copy paste this without the furigana, and I can go ask AI, could you provide a breakdown in English of the following? I need to think about this. Wait a minute. That's not the card I just added. Did I just delete the card that what? I could have sworn I just... Did I, like, delete that card that I was working on? Please, no. Oh. Oh, no. That's no good. Okay, good. Here it is. Hey. That's weird. Why didn't it show up when I sorted by... I don't know how things... I know I clicked something wrong, but there. Ah, there we go. Takes this long to create a sentence card, but the more I do it, the faster I get. So, who created whom? Yes. Yeah, but like, could you provide a breakdown of in English of all the components building the following sentence? There we go. That should give me what I need. Dare who, ga, o, object, subject, object. Tsukuru, make, create. We found that on Wiktionary, but no ka, a combination of the explanatory particle no and the question particle ka. Together, this transforms the statement into a normalized question. Interesting. No ka. So I'm just going to paste that directly in and call it a day, because that's just one of these endings and I'm not going to understand. I got to move on. So I did who. Now, here's another thought. What's something else that I could look for? Hunger. So, hunger. Hunger. How about hungry? Because hungry and thirsty. Hungry. Just trying to think of things I'd say, I guess. Because I'm just kind of building stuff willy-nilly. Any deck, I looked to download some decks, but it's like they're all paywalled, or they're like way... I don't know. I have no idea. All right, so I'm just doing it myself. Sentence search. Hunger is the best sauce. We're gonna do that. Could you provide a breakdown in English of the following sentence? Nothing tastes bad when you're hungry. That's more like it. So, let's go ahead and slap this in here into a new card. New card. Go ahead and add a new card. Oops, see? That didn't paste right. But this should paste right. Hey, give me that furigana. Now let me make sure that's matching what's on this. Oh, I don't need that. I need that. Yeah, this G-Show. It's taken from Tatoeba. But we're going to go up in here and get ourselves... What am I looking for? Oh, it doesn't even have the Romaji. Oh, I should have opened that in a new window. Darn it. Oh, I need a little Romaji. Come on now, y'all. I like the Romaji. I'm not good enough to read the... Oh, here we go. Bam. Oh, now I'm remembering I would do this. It's coming back. I would do this a month ago, asking AI, copying the Romaji straight out of Google Translate. Hidarui toki ni. Toki means time, I thought. But what does it actually mean? Oh, okay, it does mean time. So at the time of hunger, bad tasting, there is nothing. So let's do a little lookup of this on Wiktionary. Right. Take a look. What does it mean? Japanese adjectives. Classical? I don't need this. Archaic? I don't want archaic or dialect. What? All right, it's time for the 5,000 word frequency. I'm searching hungry. Oh, that's right. It's onaka ga suiteiru. It's empty. You don't say hungry. Okay. Yeah, and if you're thirsty, you say the throat is dry. Oh. Okay. How about this sentence? Yeah, that's too archaic, so we'll go for this. Which country are you from? That seems a little more my speed. Gotta get the old Google Translate Ramaji. Gotta copy that. Gotta paste. Oh, what did I do? Gotta paste that. And now, give me the old, yeah. Let's make sure this lines up. Anata wa doko no kuni no Ooh, that's a new symbol. What is blank? You character. Why you? Okay, so it's why you. That is a new one. More hiragana. It's why you. So shoo. Uh let's see what this is. Look for this on Wiktionary. It is a word. Hometown. All right, let's go back to Google. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't even add. Yeah, I gotta remember to just kind of lean on Google here. All right, so copy and paste. Darn it. I furigana it. So remove the furigana, add the furigana. Now ask Google. All right. Very difficult to create cards. Here's a breakdown. Anata you doko no. Which place doko. Interesting. Doko? Anata wa. Okay. So Kuni is country. Kuni country, right? Yeah, there it is. Kuni's country. No. Here we go. Oh, it is hometown. Origin background. So Wiktionary. Man, that's a 3,000 word. That's way too deep in the way out there. But at least the Furigana matches. So hometown. The place one comes from. Yeah, I'm gonna say the place one comes from. I like that. Place one comes from. So Kuni. So Anata is you. Doko. What's Doko? Doko. So like unspecified location. Where? Where slash which location? Uh-oh. What does that say? What's a synoptical? Where? All right, we'll say where. Where? This one's tricky. Hometown origin des, polite copula is ka question. Des ka. I'll just slap this whole thing in. And then, so, anata, you wa, subject marker, anata wa, subject marker, you. Doko no, doko, where, country no, shushin. Where country's place of origin do you have? Where's country's? Yeah, so the no is an interesting modification. Okay, so the no serves as like connecting words to make them one. So no, possessive, but connecting words to unify. I feel like that's what's going on there because like where, which location, where's country's origin? It's like where country origin kind of morphs into one word with those no's in between it, I think. So that's just a guess to start. Anata wa doko no kuni no shu shushin hometown. Anata wa doko no, what's doko? Oh yeah, where? Doko no kuni no shushin. Te. Oh, it's des. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good summary for that card. Man, I spent so much time adding these cards. It's crazy. I only added 3. So I think let's see. There's also like another sentence I've got here. It says, "Where's the post office?" But I could dive into this more complex one, which is the problem was where to eat lunch. That's a complex sentence. So I'm going to say could have a breakdown. And just kind of dive into it. The sentence translated to problems. Where do we go? So Monday. Problem. Problem is you. I'm just going to say problem. Locate dokade. Doko. Why is it day? Where at? Yeah, doko. Is doko? Yeah, that's hiragana. So the same thing. Where? I know day is like the at. Doko. Day. I think. What's day? It should mean at. Yeah, at or in, yeah. Where? At, in. Now here's this. Which is, what was that? Chushoku. Lunch. Lunch. Oh, now what's this? Taberu. Yeah, that's eating. Data. Was. Okay. Seems alright. Now, if I take this, put it in Google Translate to get me some Romaji. Ooh, it's trying to correct this. Doesn't like it. What about this? Does it not like? Oh. There's more kanji there. Okay. See that kanji appearing twice. Oh man, I'm seeing a kanji right there standing out to me. That's a first in a while. So Mondai. Gotta copy paste that. This is advanced. Ooh. Mondai. The question was where to have lunch. Now, what did this say it was? Yeah, problem is where to eat lunch. Where? Yeah, problem is where to eat lunch. So, Mondai is problem. Let's add that. Mondai, problem. Lunch. Chushoku. 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 Chushoku is lunch. Data is it? Well, that's something. There's a lot in that card, but I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and add it. So, yeah, that was 4 cards added today. I'm gonna call that pretty good, and I guess we're gonna have to end on yeah, we'll end with a bell. Taco Bell.